Hello everyone, welcome to Shree Tutorials. In this video, I have explained the questions from question number 6 to question number 10. If you didn't watch the previous video, then please do watch. The part 1 video is in the description box. Now let's start solving the problems. Question number 6. Convert the given percents to decimal fractions and also fractions in the simplest form. So in this question, we have to do two tasks. Number 1 is we have to convert this into the decimal, and also the second one is we have to convert this into the simplest fraction form. Not only the fraction form but also in the simplest form. Okay, the first one is 25%. How to write this in the form of a fraction? 25 divided by 100. Okay, this is in the form of a fraction, but this is not the simplest form, right? Because we can divide this further. We can simplify this further. How? 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So yeah, that means 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4 is in the, this is the simplest fraction form. Simplest fraction. But the second task is we have to convert this into the decimal. How to convert this into the decimal? Just divide this. 1 divided by 4. 1 is less than 4, right? So let me put a point here and a 0 here. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Again 2 is less than 4. So let me put a 0 here. Now 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. The answer is 0.25. 0.25 is the decimal form of 25%. Now let us solve for B. B is 150%. 150% can be written as 150 divided by 100. Now we have to simplify this. This 0 got cancelled. 5 3s are 5 2s are. So we got 3 by 2 as the simplest form of the fraction. Simplest fraction. 3 by 2 is the simplest form of the fraction. Now we have to find the decimal form. How to find? 3 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 is less than 2. So let me put a point here and a 0 here. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So the answer is 1.5. 1.5 is the decimal form of the 150%. Now let me solve for C. C is 20%. 20% can be written as 20 divided by 100. This 0 got cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So we got 1 by 5 as the simplest fraction. Right? Now how to convert this into the decimal? 1 divided by 5. 1 is less than 5. So let me put a point here and a 0 here. 5 2s are 10. So the answer is 0.2. 0.2 is the decimal form of the 20%. Okay. Now let us solve for D. 5%. 5% can be written as 5 divided by 100. Now we can simplify. 5 ones are 5. 5 20s are 100. So 1 by 20 is the simplest form of the fraction. Simplest fraction. How to convert this into decimal? Divide 1 by 20. 1 is less than 20. So let me put a point here and a 0 here. 10 is also less than 20. So let me put a 0 here and a 0 here. 20 5 is 100. 100 minus 100 is 0. So the answer is 0.05. This is the decimal form of 5%. Now let us solve for the 7th problem. In a city, 30% are females, 30% are females, 40% are males, and the remaining are children. Now we have to find the percentage of children. They are saying in a city, 30% are females, 30% are females, 40% are males, 40% are males, remaining are children. If you consider a city as 100%, a total as 100%, out of 100%, 30% are females, 40% are males. Then what will be the percentage of children? Of course, this will be 30%, right? But if you write only this much in the exam, you won't get a marks. So let me write in words. Let total percentage will be 100%. Okay, and in the question they have given female percentage is 30%. Male percentage is equals to 40%. Now we have to find the children percentage. Children percentage is equals to how much? We don't know. Let me put that as X. Okay. Total will include, of course, females, males plus children. You agree? Total will include females, males as well as children. Right? Now, total equals to how much? Total equals to how much? 100%. 100% equals to, female is how much? Female is 30%. Males is how much? 40%. Children is how much? We don't know. Let me put as X. Now, 30% plus 40% is how much? 30% plus 40% is 70%. And let me write this 100% as it is. Plus X. Okay. Now, X equals to 100% minus 70%. 100% minus 70%. If I move this X from here to here, okay, and this 100 from here to here, there will be no sign change. I have moved X as well as 100 at the same time, so there will be no sign change. But the sign of 70% will be changed to minus. Okay, now X is equals to 100% minus 70% is how much? 100% minus 70% is 30%. So the children percentage is how much? 30%. Done. Shall we move to the next question? Question number 8. Out of 15,000 voters, 60% voted. Out of 15,000, only 60% have voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Now we have to find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually did not vote? The meaning of this is, we have to find exact number of voters who did not vote. The meaning of this is, we have to just find the percentage of voters who did not vote. So in this question, we have to find two answers. Number one is, we have to find the percentage of voters who did not vote. And second is, we have to find the exact number of voters who did not vote. Let me consider a figure. So if you consider this as a total is 100%. Total is 100%. This is the voters. In that, only 60% have voted. In that, 60% have voted. Other the 40% are not voted. They have not voted. Out of 100%, only 60% are voted. What is the remaining one? Remaining one will be 40%, right? 100 minus 60. 100 minus 60 is how much? 40%. Okay. Now let me write the data. Total percentage is 100%. Out of 100%, only 60% have voted. Voted percentage is equals to how much? 60%. Okay. Now, actual total number of voters are how many? The number of total voters. This is the number of total voters. This is the percentage of total voters. There's a difference between an exact number and a percentage. Let me write a total as 15,000. Now we have to find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Let me write as not voted. Not voted percentage equals to how much? Okay. Total percentage will consist of voters who have voted. It will consist of percentage of people who have voted as well as not voted. Right? Not voted percentage. Total is how much? Total is 100%. 100% equals to voted is how much? Voted is 60%. And not voted is how much? Sorry, not voted is we have not calculated yet. Okay, we have not calculated yet. So let me put as X. Now, X equals to, I am moving X from RHS to LHS and I am moving 100 from LHS to RHS at the same time. So you should not change the sign. But you have to change the sign for this 60%. Now X is equals to how much? 40%. So this is what is this? 40%. What is this 40%? Not voted percentage. The voters who did not vote. The percentage of voters who did not vote. Now we have to find the exact number of voters who did not vote. Okay. Number of voters who did not vote will be equals to, we got the percentage as 40%. We got a percentage as 40%. 40%. So 40% out of 15,000 people did not voted. 40% of total 15,000 people did not voted. That means how to write 40%? 40% is nothing but 40 divided by 100. Of is nothing but a multiplication. 15,000. These two zeros got cancelled and the answer is 150 into 40. 15 fours are how much? 60, and write these two zeros. So totally 6,000 people did not vote. This is the answer. Then question number 9. Meeta saves 4,000 from her salary. She is saving 4,000 from her salary. That is nothing but a 10% of her salary. 10% of her salary is nothing but a 4,000. But we have to find her actual salary. We don't know her salary. They are just given 10% of her salary is 4,000. Then find her actual salary. Let me write like this. 10% of her salary is 4,000 rupees. Right? 10% of her salary is 4,000 rupees. That is what they have given in the question. I have just written the data. 10% means what? 10% is nothing but 10 divided by 100. Of is nothing but a multiplication. Her salary is equals to rupees 4,000. Once again, 10 divided by 100 into x is equal. We have to simplify this. This 0 got cancelled. X into 1. X into 1 is how much? X itself. Divided by 10 equals to 4,000 rupees. Okay. Now let me keep the x in the LHS only. But let me move the 10 from LHS to RHS. So this will be 10 into 4,000 rupees. X is equals to 10 into 4,000 means 40,000 rupees. So her actual salary is 40,000 rupees. Question number 10. A local cricket team played 20 matches. 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. So out of 20 matches, they have won 25% of the match. How many matches did they win? In this example, we have to calculate the total. We have to calculate the exact number of matches did they win. Okay. In the question they have given They have won 25% of 20 matches. They have won 25% of 20 matches. Now we have to find the exact number of matches did they win, right? So 25% means 25 divided by 100. Of is nothing but a multiplication, and then 20 matches. This 100 got, this 0 got cancelled. 5 5s are 5 2s are. Now this will be 2 got cancelled. 5 number of matches. They have won 5 number of matches. The number of matches did they win is 5 matches.